In this video, I'll talk about how much force or the thrust is required to propel a rocket upward. So we are given a rocket here. The mass of the rocket is given, which is 15,000 kilograms. That's the mass of the rocket. And we are propelling the rocket with an acceleration which is 2.5 meter per second square. And now we need to find out what is the force, how much force is required. So in this case, the weight, if we just look at the free body diagram, the weight is the downward, and the force, the propelling force, or what you call a thrust, is upward. Thus the force is taking the rocket upward. And the acceleration is given as well. So how are we going to solve this problem? We simply can write down F thrust is equal to mg. So we can write down F equals to mg when the system is either at rest or the system is moving with a constant velocity. But in this particular problem, the rocket is accelerating. So we're going to use the Newton's second law of motion to write down the equation of motion. So we know that the Newton's second law of motion is F is equal to ma. Here F, this is the net force, or the sum of all the forces in one direction. This force is equal to ma. And what is the net force now? So as the system is moving up, the net force is F thrust, this force minus mg. That's the net force, because these two forces are acting opposite. This is in positive y-axis and this is in negative y-axis. So these two forces are opposite. So F thrust minus mg. And if I solve for F thrust, then what I get is F thrust is equal to mg plus a. The g is acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8, and a is given, which is 2.5, and the mass is given 15,000 kilograms. And if we solve, that's the thrust we need to apply. Okay, so this is the force required. That we call the thrust force, or the force to propel a rocket upward with this acceleration. So that's it. Again, if you have any questions, write down your questions in the comment section below. And at the end, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.